A tactic used by the devil to delay or stop Christians from their purpose is being demonstrated in a football game.
If you are coming with your clothes, my duty is to delay you. That is why I want to stamp you. I want to delay you so that by the time you bypass me, you see the way you bypass me, Sulia. By the time you go, somebody behind me will collect it. Why? Because my duty is to delay you. The devil's major duty for people who carry potential is number one, to delay. We are going to play football here. You say you are a striker. Okay. Pastor Clifford, do go post for me here. Go post. Get the ball. You are a striker. Give him microphone. We are going to do something before I start teaching today. What is the main aim of a striker? To score goals. What is the aim of a defender? To prevent you from scoring. When you have destiny, you should always know that the devil will also give you people whose duty it is to prevent you from winning. Okay, now score. Let me see. So between me and you hit post. It means you are a striker, me I'm a defender. Take the ball. Now in football, have you realized that they always put in either one or two strikers? Have you seen a football match they put in 5 strikers before? How many? Maximum is 3. But how many defenders do they put?
4, 5.
4 or 5. If you have a Moreno team, how many defenders?
Probably maybe 6.
So you realize that whilst you are one person aiming to score, there are 5 people who have been assigned to make sure that you don't score. But your purpose or your principle in life is to score. And me too, my purpose is to prevent you from scoring. Can we do something? I know you are very skillful. Don't pity me. Dribble me and score. I'll use 2 things to teach something in my preaching. If you fail, so let's go. Okay, the ball is yours. Come and bypass me. Wait. Come. You did well. You know why you put it through my legs? Tell me why. I opened it. The devil will open a door for you, thinking it is a way to go. Everybody has clapped for you because you gave me Sulia, but you didn't obtain your purpose. It was over the bar. I opened it for you. And I know that the best way to disgrace a person is to pass it through your say. So let me tell you, the first rule of a defender is to delay. Come. If you are coming with your clothes, my duty is to delay you. That is why I want to stamp you. I want to delay you so that by the time you bypass me, you see the way you bypass me, Sulia. By the time you go, somebody behind me will collect it. Why? Because my duty is to delay you. The devil's major duty for people who carry potential is number one, to delay. So that other principalities will come and join in. Number 2, if he delays you and you are still holding on, you are not giving up on the ball, the next thing you do that he will give you space. Okay, now I've taught you. Let's go again. Hey, how many people I gave you space here? I gave you space to go. And every good defender knows that if I give you space, that is where you take the ball. And that is where I will throw my leg. I used to like football and play football. So I know some of these things. So let's try again. You are sweating than me. You are punching for breath. Eh? Do you know why? Because you want to score. And the one who wants to score makes more effort than the one who wants to defend. Who wants to defend have many partners, including a goalkeeper, who is the one permitted to catch with the hand. And every good defender is wicked. If you had tried to bypass me, if not that it is church, I would have wounded him. Ask Pastor Victor. If you dribble me once, if you try and pass again, I'll forget I'm a pastor. So when they see me coming, they pass the ball. So you know why? Oh, it's okay. Go and take your seat. So you know why? Some of you, we enjoy it when people clap for us. But clap will not bring food on your table. Applause is good. After he dribbled me, everybody was clapping. But what was the aim of his playing the football? Who can tell me? To do what? The devil doesn't mind you being happy, being excited, dancing, jubilating, as long as you still don't get what you came in for.